Introduction to 3D Shapes, the cylinder. In this lesson we're going to look at the features of this 3D shape, the cylinder. We can already see that a cylinder is made up of a circle base, a circle top, and a curved area that joins the two together. So let's have a look at some of the features of a cylinder. Okay, let's look at the faces. The cylinder is a bit tricky because this is the first 3D shape we've looked at that has curves or a roundness to it. So be careful when you're looking at the faces. Pause the video, have a think about how many faces you can see in this shape, and then check back with me and we'll count them together. Okay, how did you go? Alright, so we have got one face on the top here, and we've got a face on the bottom. They're the two circles, the top and the base. However, if I get rid of that shading for just a second, when you look at the shape, there's also another face or surface, and that surface on this shape is curved, and it's the part that joins all the way around there on the sides between this circle and the base circle. So this part here, I'll shade it in green, this part here, and it runs all the way around the back there as well, that part is also a face. So we've actually got 1, 2 underneath the base, and then 3 faces in a cylinder. Let's see how you go with finding the cylinder's edges. Remember, an edge is when two faces join together. Pause here, count them up, and come back and check. Okay, let's have a look. We've got this edge up here, and you can kind of see it is a sharp edge, and that's because that's where this top face meets this side face. And we've also got a similar edge along the bottom there, and that is where the bottom circle base meets this side edge. It meets it just down there like that and all the way around. So altogether we've got 2 edges in a cylinder. Alright, let's look at the corners of the cylinder. Pause here, have a quick look, see how many corners you can see, and then we'll look at it together. Okay, so remember, corners are when 2 or more edges meet together. Now we looked just a second ago that there's an edge and there's an edge. But in a cylinder, those edges don't touch each other. They're separated by this face here. So unlike a rectangular prism or a cube, the edges don't meet. So in this shape, the cylinder, there are 0 corners. None. Right, looking at our comparison chart here, we can see it's different to a cube and a rectangular prism in that there are only 3 faces, 2 edges, and 0 corners. Fantastic!